TheKiddleystudio.
Hello everyone. Today we will learn planting a rose flower. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you plant a rose. So let's go. So, now what material you needed? You need rose plant, garden tools, soil, and location where you can plant a rose flower. Are you excited? Kiddleys. Choose a healthy rose plant from a nursery. Decide if you want to plant a Bareroot Rose or a potted rose. Garden tools. You'll need a shovel, gardening gloves, and pruning shears. Soil. Roses prefer well-draining soil with plenty of organic matter. If your soil is heavy clay or sandy, amend it with compost. Location. Choose a spot that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight a day and has good air circulation. Now dig a hole that is slightly wider and deeper than the root ball of the rose plant. Loosen the soil at the bottom of the hole and mix in compost or organic matter. Now Kiddleys, plant the rose. If you have a potted rose, gently remove it from the pot and loosen the roots. Also, if planting a Bareroot Rose, soak the roots in water for a few hours before planting. Place the rose plant in the center of the hole. Backfill the hole. Fill the hole halfway with soil, then water thoroughly to settle the soil and remove any air pockets. Continue filling the hole with soil until it is level with the surrounding ground. Watering. After planting, water the rose deeply to help establish the roots. Water regularly, especially during dry periods, but avoid waterlogging the soil. Mulching. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the plant to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and keep the roots cool. Pruning. If your rose plant has any damaged or crossing branches, prune them back to healthy growth. Remove any dead or weak stems. Support. Depending on the type of rose, you may need to provide support. Install a stake or trellis if necessary to support the plant as it grows. Fertilizing. Roses benefit from regular feeding during the growing season. Use a balanced fertilizer formulated for roses. Pruning. Regular pruning promotes healthy growth and flowering. Prune in early spring before new growth appears. Pest and disease control. Monitor your rose plant for pests like aphids or diseases like black spot. Treat as needed with organic or chemical controls. Winter care. In colder climates, protect your rose plant from frost by mulching around the base and wrapping the plant in burlap if necessary. By following these steps and providing proper care, you can enjoy beautiful roses blooming in your garden. Happy gardening, Kiddleys! Having fun, Kiddleys? Please press subscribe and like button for more learning. See you soon.